The conversation of XRP getting to various price points is definitely a topic that people just may not fully understand. And whether you're on both sides, you're on the side of, being for it or against it, there's a lot of people that just don't understand how it will get to these prices because market cap is insane, whether you're for it or against it, right? Um, but when you start to get to some of these higher levels, market cap really doesn't matter. It does to me just by seeing it and seeing how far it is in control. But seeing XRP at some of these levels, right? If it gets to a place to where it's worth 10 trillion or 20 trillion, um, does that mean that it now holds 50% of the market dominance and it continues to hold, how whatever of the market dominance? Or do we look at that and go, we should cut market cap for XRP because it's used as something completely different? Or should we keep it in the mix because it is a cryptocurrency, right? That's kind of the question that we will end up getting to, is because the dominance will be like 90% at some of those levels, like $1,000 and $10,000 and all of that. Now we have a price prediction for something maybe a little bit more reasonable, still not to full reason as to why it can fully get there, but just having a price target for $300 or $100+ is definitely like kind of I don't know, setting the bar up there, or putting the feelers out to see what people think about this price target. But today we have a $305 dollar XRP price target. There's always a different price target. There'd be one that's 10, 20, 30, 50, 100, $100,000 that's out there. And I like to go through those to see what those are worth, and see if it makes sense to me. But before we get into this, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my link for Margex, for Patreon, for Twitter. Again, if you guys want to trade on Margex, you can trade up to a 50x leverage on XRP. You can also join my copy trading strategy if you want to. You don't have to if you don't want to. You also don't have to join Margex if you don't want to. I just put it out there just in case you are interested. But XRP, where it currently stands, is 59 cents. Seeing XRP get to a $305 price would be massive, right? And we'll explain how massive that would be in the level of market cap, as well as, gains and all of that. But it stands at 59 cents. So obviously a movement to $300, you're looking at a 600 or close to 600x if my math is right, which is absolutely phenomenal, and I'll take it. I'm sure you would as well. But right now it sits at a $33.1 billion market cap with $2 billion worth of volume. What is the volume going to be at that time? I don't know. Maybe tens of billions, maybe hundreds of billions. I don't know at those times. But we definitely will see some movement because it will be based on, transactions and consistent transactions that are happening, and all of that. But this is where this comes from, right? So the Crypto Basic comes out with a $305 XRP target. Here's a projected timeline for this price, saying that I guess it will happen at those levels. Market analysts disagree about the timeline for XRP to obtain a $305 value, with some believing next year and others suggesting next decade. It's not about the fact that if it will get there, it's about the argument of when it will get there. And that's what I like to hear. So XRP recently stunned the crypto market by defying its unusual passive price movements to emerge among the top performers over the weekend. Specifically, XRP hit 56 cents, and right now it's at 59 on Saturday, marking an 18% gain from the intraday low of 47 cents. Considering that the asset hit the bottom of 39.11 cents 2 weeks ago, XRP has rebounded 44.1% since the landslide dip. Meanwhile, at press time, XRP has settled around 53 cents. And again, it's around 59 cents right now. While XRP currently costs about a half a dollar, ambitious voices in the community have reiterated that XRP will be an asset worth above 3 digits someday. Based on the popularity or popular belief, based on this popular belief, the Crypto Basic explores the timeline it could take XRP to reach an ambitious price point of $305. Early this month, analysts, I can't say their name, proposed a massive 710x price surge for XRP to $305, citing a bullish signal on the monthly time frame. Despite XRP's poor performance, Ashi, hopefully I'm saying the name right. I probably am not. Believes the cryptocurrency's candlestick patterns resembles historic trends that preceded significant price pumps. He pointed to a similar pattern in 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, which led to a massive gain. It forecasts a multi-stage rally with XRP potentially reaching $1.20, $2, $6, $16, and before hitting $305, a 71,000% increase. Notably, a $305 price point would elevate XRP's market cap to around $30.5 trillion, which at this stage, if you saw this in the next couple of years, I guarantee you're probably going to see Bitcoin at a level of 5 to 10 trillion. Maybe it could get up to those levels right there. The overall market cap for cryptocurrency in this bull run, I'm looking at a 5 to 10 trillion overall. So if we could see XRP happen within the next 2 years, then that completely blows my my overall cryptocurrency market cap level out of the water. When XRP may hit 305. While she did not explicitly mention a timeline for this audacious outlook to materialize, the chart accompanying his analysis suggests a date between 2025 and 2026. However, market watchers outside of XRP do not find this timeline realistic for a $305 price target. For instance, market pundits at the crypto exchange Changelly argue that the earliest period for XRP to enter 300 range is October 2040. Moreover, Changelly analysts suggest that XRP could have a minimum value of $315 by November. $315 by November 2040. Now, this comes from, Changelly. Changelly tends to change a lot of things very, very quickly, and they don't really account for any type of bullish momentum or anything that is happening. It's just based on previous trends, and that's pretty much it. To some extent, I'm not saying that $305 price target for this level is definitely going to happen, but if it does, it's massive, right? OpenAI's chat GPT agrees with this view. The AI chatbot first stressed that the market cap implications for $300 outlook make the estimation highly speculative and suggest 3 scenarios as a result. First, it highlighted that the short term of 1 to 5 years, a $305 outlook for XRP is unlikely. For the medium term, 5 to 10 years, ChatGPT stated it is likely, but would require significant technological breakthrough. That's a blanket statement. Meanwhile, on the long-term scale, AI suggests that it's feasible should XRP continue to be a dominant force in the crypto market scene. And again, yes, it is more likely to see that happen over time. But it really all depends on how crypto is adopted and how it's used and the aggression of how that's taken on, because we've seen the technology phase, we've seen the internet phase and how that's come on, and we had certain spurts to where it just blew up and was worth so much more, and every company that was involved with it was also worth so much more, and that could be the same thing for XRP that's there. Now, again, if we're talking about my opinion on this, I love hearing that their price predictions for it could be from 2025 to 2026. Others believe that it happens within the decade or a little bit outside the decade. Yeah, I understand that too. But I'm more for what's going to happen a little bit short term rather than just what's going to happen long term. Because we get to a $10 price point and that makes me an XRP millionaire immediately. Does that mean that I'm going to hold all of that until then? No. If it gets to a 300 dollar price point, right? And this is at the current supply stages. A $300 price point would be a $16 trillion market cap. So this is where they're kind of wrong. To say that it would be worth 30 trillion is saying that we have 100% of the supply that's out there. Not in the next year, I can tell you that. They're adding a billion per month, but it seems like they're adding more like 500 million per month. If that's the case, we're only going to see this. We're only going to see a $300 price point at the 55 or 56, almost 56% level. Maybe it's going to be 60 or 60 billion coins. If we get to that point and we see a $300 price point, that's honestly a 16, 17, 18, trillion dollar market cap, which honestly is still ridiculous. It is still a high level when you start to look at market cap. But that's the thing with XRP, with how it's going to be used in the different places that it's implemented. It doesn't make sense to really just stand there and look at the market cap, because we don't look at the market cap of our US dollar. We don't look at the market cap of the world currency, right? Everybody, all currencies in the world, and what that market cap value is of all circulating dollars. But if we did, that's kind of in comparison to what we would see with XRP. Now, my suggestion or my belief is that we will definitely see a multi-trillion. We will see a $5 trillion market cap. That's what my belief is, and we'll see a $100 price point. It's the point of like, how long does it take to get there? But then when you start to push it up to 150 and 200 and 250 and 300, that's where you start to get a lot of pushback from other people, because you're approaching the over $10 trillion market cap, right? Over $20 trillion market cap, and so on and so forth. So no matter what, even though market cap really doesn't truly matter in this instance, it still has a place. And I've said this before, you still have to look at it, because it's going to be there, and it's going to be something that controls the crypto market based on what the dominance is, based on what that market cap is. So if the market cap doesn't matter and it gets to a $100 trillion market cap, XRP has 99% of the crypto dominance that's out there, right? They're dominating the entire crypto market based on having $100 trillion as a market cap. So yes, in retrospect, it does matter, but it also doesn't at the same time. That makes sense. So $305 price prediction, not absurd, but definitely still on the higher tier, on the upper end. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. Again, if you guys want to trade on Margex and start, leverage trading, doing 5x leverages, 10x leverages, 50 or 20 or whatever X leverages, feel free to check out Margex. That link is down below. And also, you can join my copy trading strategy if you want to. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I am ranked 15th right now with 48% ROE, and we have about 13 people that are following right now. The total profit is $436.13. And where we stand right now, if I go over to my copy trading strategy, we're also up on 4 other positions that we do have there, and hopefully they do get aggressively up. I'm looking for Ethereum to make a huge move, especially with ETFs and things that are going on there. I'm looking for XRP to make a huge move and surpass the 70-cent level, so that I could probably take a little bit of profit here, and so on and so forth, right? There are other opportunities as well. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, for taking the time to listen to me, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.